A lot of you are struggling to sell your product and you do not want to make content. If that's you, this video is for you. This is the part 4 of the series on how to make sales. And if you've gotten to this part, I want to say congratulations to you and thank you for joining us on this particular series, because this series has been an amazing series so far, and I think this will likely be the last series for sales videos. So if you have any questions, make sure to watch the past video, part 1, part 2, part 3, and this is the 4th part, and ask your question on any of the comment section. I'll be there to answer you or to make a video on it, whatever your request actually is. So now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use influencers, Facebook influencers, WhatsApp influencers to get sales or get traction towards your product. If you are new to my channel, I am Augusta, and you can call me Augusta the First Entrepreneur. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to at least 5 persons. Let's get right into this video. A lot of persons have been asking me on my DM how they can actually use WhatsApp influencers and what it costs, how it actually runs in general. So I'm going to be taking a few minutes to explain how this actually works. So this is not going to be a long video, so make sure you stay on this video if you need this. Now, the first thing you should know about WhatsApp influencers is that there are a lot of WhatsApp influencers. There are people who basically have a lot of contacts, they have a lot of leads on their WhatsApp, and most of the times when they post anything, because of the fact that WhatsApp is kind of private, it's not overly public, they tend to get a lot of trust from their audience, and you can leverage them, you can use them as a leverage to sell your digital product. Right from let's say about 2 years ago, I usually use WhatsApp TVs to run ads. So this is what I do: I get access to WhatsApp TVs, and then I run my ads. Sometimes it was actually like campus TVs. I run my ads towards I run my ads to their audience, and I get the leads to a particular group. This is what I do: I run a webinar, or I teach them there on WhatsApp. I teach them what I do for free. For the Facebook and the Instagram influencers, you can actually check on their page and see what they are currently doing, how they are maybe doing their stuff, how their audience are relating with them, and see if there are people that you can trust. Somehow you can actually tell, and then you can ask them or check their former videos. If there are videos where they ran ads for people, where they told people about someone else's product, if they did it, you can actually reach out to them and ask them if they run ads for people or if they can promote your product. I think that's the right word. If you are able to get 1 or 2 persons, I think that's actually cool, and you can ask them for their price rate. Do not just jump into it and say, okay, your price is 100k. Sometimes you can actually price it, but if you cannot price it, make sure to run the ads, and do not just run it and say, okay, you want to get sales straight. Personally, I feel like that doesn't work, but for some other persons it might actually work. For me, I feel like you must first put them in a webinar or in a group or something. Let them get your number, you get their numbers, you are updating them, you teach them about something for free or something, and then you sell your product to them, or you tell them more about your product on that group. So I don't know, but it could work for other persons. Personally, I feel like if you're using WhatsApp influencers, you don't just post your link and say buy. I feel it doesn't work. What has actually worked for me is what I'm telling you right now. You must first teach them something, you must get them into a webinar, you must run a workshop, you must run something for them that they will now finally see the proof, and they will be able to, and you'll be able to sell to them, so they'll be able to buy whatever you are selling. So necessarily, that is how Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp influencing actually works. It's very, very short, and if you have any questions, make sure to ask these questions. Do not forget to get our AI income playbook, which costs 5,000 naira, our sell on command ebook, which costs 5,000 naira as well. And also, we are running a free consultation for just 10 minutes for the first 20 persons who are able to reach out to us on this number. Reach out to me on this number you are currently seeing on your screen, and that's it. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to people who need this video. See you in the next video.